Then I always say that. Huh? Hello?
Georgia, where'd you get your shoes from?
Daddy.
Pardon?
Nana.
Nana got them. What's your name?
Duda.
Who am I?
Duda.
Who am I? What's my name? What's my name? Okay, never mind.
No. The dress.
What's her name?
Duda.
No. What's her name?
Ella.
Yeah, what's my name?
Duda.
No, what's my name?
Duda.
I know your name is Georgia. What's my name?
Duda.
Okay. So it's Georgia, right? Where's Mo?
Play.
Where's Uncle Kevin?
Play.
And where's Papa?
At the play.
Is he on the plane too? Where's Papa?
Play.
Oh, you figured it out.
America already?
Yes, he is?
No,
No, okay. He's not in America. No, he's not in America. Where's Papa, Georgia?
Play.
Oh, is he not outside anymore? Okay, say bye, Uncle Mo.
Bye.
Where's Uncle Mo?
Play.